Friends, Hari Prasad is back with another lecture on soft skills. The title of the lecture is Necessity of Effective Communication for Professional Excellence. For professional excellence, effective communication required. Okay? Let us start with the message. Mother bears 9 months in her womb, but the motherland bears you till you die. Hence, both motherland and mother are equally important. Okay? Coming to the topic. Since inception of civilization, communication has been playing important role, but globalization has redefined its role. Since dawn of the society, communication is playing a bigger role. But after globalization, it has redefined the role of the people. Globalization has offered more challenges and opportunities to the corporate world. What globalization did? It offered more challenges, many challenges and opportunities to the corporate world. World has faced, including India, ups and downs during the recession period. Not only India, the whole world faced recession and it faced ups and downs in its economy. Recession. Now because of COVID-19, recession may come again. Be careful. Without communication, other management functions like planning, coordinating, organizing, directing, controlling, etc. are not possible. They are not possible. So, communication, if no communication, then it's not possible. Okay? If no communication, other functions like planning, coordinating, organizing, directing, controlling, etc. are not possible. Soft skills help to be a good performer. If you want to become a good performer in your life, soft skills definitely required. I think this is the lecture I am giving. So many lectures given on soft skills so far. So many episodes you have seen. But here what I tell you very clearly, with the soft skills only you can become a good performer. Soft skills definitely required for human progress. Ability to communicate distinguishes human beings from animals. Ability to communicate distinguishes human beings from animals. What are the animals? What are the human beings? Who are the animals? Who are the human beings? Okay? Who are the human beings? What are the animals? What difference is there between human beings and animals? Okay? So, human being is up and above the animal. Okay? So, the difference between human beings and animals. Here, the ability to communicate. Human being has ability to communicate, whereas animal has no ability to communicate. That is why there is a difference between human being and animal. Human being communicates with words, animal cannot communicate with words. So, human being has ability to communicate which stands in the animals. Ability to communicate well See the difference. Ability to communicate well between one person and other person. Ability to communicate well. Ability to communicate between human being and animal. Ability to communicate well from one person to the other person. The person who communicates well, he will be taken for the job. He will be selected. The person who cannot communicate well, he cannot be taken for the job. He will not be given any job. That is the difference between ability to communicate well, ability to communicate well from person to person, ability to communicate from human being to animal. Effective communication skill undoubtedly has a great role in your personal as well as professional life. Effective communication skill undoubtedly has a great role in your personal as well as professional life. Effective communication skill required. Two alike students with similar educational qualifications were ambitious about their future professional life. Two students with the same qualifications, they are anxious about their professional life. They met after a gap of 10 years. They were friends before. After a gap of 10 years, they met. What happened? One person is a manager in a company, the other person is a managing director in a company. So the person as a manager in a company has less communication skills, not effective communication skills. The person in the other company who is the managing director has effective communication skills. That means effective communication skills can take you manager to managing director position. That is why effective communication skills are required. Communication is involved in every activity of management in all types of organizations. In all organizations, communication in all departments, communication is necessary. All departments are linked with communication. That is why communication is a buzzword in 2021. Effective communication practices in any organization develop proper understanding. If effective communication practices are resorted to, what will happen? They develop effective communication practices, develop proper understanding, cordial workplace atmosphere, and healthy relationship among employees of the organization. Managers use effective communication skills and get the job accomplished. Managers get the job done because they use effective communication skills. Effective communication skills minimize workplace negativity. If all the persons working in a company have effective communication skills, they will minimize the workplace negativity. Negativity will not be there in the workplace if you have effective communication skills. Communication is as necessary to an organization as the bloodstream of a person. In an organization, communication required. In the human structure, bloodstream required. Bloodstream in human structure, communication in an organization. Try to understand how it is. If no bloodstream in the human body, man dies. If no communication in organization, organization dies. It is as simple as that. I am giving a message. Spirituality from heart travels to mind and gives enlightenment. How beautiful this message is. Coming to topic now, barriers in communication. What are the barriers in communication? You see, communication barriers we have already discussed in some soft skills lectures, but here I am giving in detail. Communication breakdown due to various obstacles is known as barriers in communication. Communication breakdown means there are communication barriers. So those barriers to communication are to be avoided, then the organization will be good, you will be good. So communication breakdown happens due to various obstacles known as communication barriers. The communication barriers are communication obstacles. Okay? So, there will be communication breakdown if obstacles are there, if barriers are there. What are those barriers? Let us see. One is semantic barriers. One is semantic barriers. The semantic barriers are symbols with different meanings, faulty translation, badly expressed messages. Second barrier, number 2, psychological barriers. Let us see what they are. Premature evaluation, distrust of communication. Third one, organizational barriers. Organizational policy may not be conducive to communication development. Organizational rules and regulations may not be good communication development. Number 4, personal barriers. The personal barriers in communication are attitude of supervisors, fear of challenge of authority, lack of confidence in subordinates, lack of proper incentives. These are the barriers in communication. The 4 barriers I have discussed with you. Okay. Corporate trainers train students in communication skills and remove barriers. Why corporate training required? There are corporate trainers. Those corporate communicators, they come to your college, they come to your company, then they train your students, your employees to dismiss the communication barriers. Communication should possess the following parameters. There are some parameters I am giving right now. These parameters, if you possess communication, if communication possesses the parameters, communication will be good. What are the parameters communication should possess? 1. Clarity in idea. 2. Purpose of communication. 3. Appropriate language. 4. Simple words. 5. Credibility in communication. I am giving you some suggestions. Session 1. Effective communication influences your personal relationship with friends, parents, nearer and dearer ones. Effective communication. If you have effective communication, you can win your friends, your relatives, your near and dear ones, nearer and dearer ones, your lovers and all. Okay? For example, my friend is there, she doesn't know effective communication. That is why she is not able to reach to me. Okay? Number 2, if you talk properly and clearly, your bonds with people become stronger. Properly and clearly you need to speak. Then your bonds with people become stronger. Number 3, exchange of messages or information is possible with effective communication skills, which in all probability transform into success in your personal and professional life. So here, exchange of messages or information is possible with effective communication skills, which in all probability transform into success in your personal and professional life. Okay? One message I will give you. Change is essence of life. If you don't adopt and adapt change, you will not succeed. Good message it is. Before closing the lecture episode, I would like to give you 3 rules for success. Success rules are: number 1, trust your brain. Number 2, trust yourself. Number 3, trust Konaparidi Hari Prasad. You become successful personality in life. Thank you. Carpe diem.